Why are they getting it? They're getting a wee little rabbit there. First rabbit of the year, I think. The first rabbit of the non-season after bird season ended. Got him with the second shot. You can see I broke a few of his legs, but he still managed to get a good run off and get into his hole. I had to go in after him. Luckily I was able to get him out and recover him, that he didn't die in the hole and block it on the other ones. I don't know if that's a thing, but possibly could happen. So I just want to give it a quick skinning. Just use a small knife like this to do a few small cuts, nothing major, don't need much. I'm going to hang it up on the frame up there in the lean-to shed. I'll show you how that's done. It's straightforward. Just put a hole in the hocks or in the heel, like you do with deer when you're hanging a deer, same thing. And then just put your rope through. I'll show you in a minute anyway. His leg is pretty messed up, so I shot him good in this one. Thought I got the other side of him when he run away, but looks like I got that side of him. So it's straightforward enough. Just put one hole with a loop, or one end with a loop through the hole. You can find it again. Like that. And the other end, the loop through the other hole. Like the broken leg. Like that. So you get your two ends. Hang them up on the nails or screws, whatever you've got. And you get the middle part and hang it up in the middle one. So you want it like that. And then just skin, cut around here. Cut up and just pull it all down in one go. That's what you're just trying to do. Let's see how it goes. I like using small knives. As Hymo Court always says, you don't need a big knife. Put that tendon. See that bone sticking out there with fucking. It's got this sharp bone as well, so be careful. You don't cut your fingers. Let that go fucking straight through your fucking hand if you slip. Just cut that fucking organ. Over the back. The quicker you can do this, the more swiftly you can do this, the less hair you're going to get on the meat. So that's it. Simple. Can't make that any more difficult. There's a joint in the back of the head here, which I've learned it's called the Atlas joint. I don't know if it's the same on a rabbit, but it's on a deer anyway. Fresh and sharp in the knife, so it's quite good. There we go. That's easy. So you want to cut into the cavity without cutting any of the vitals, just like that. Get the fuck away, dogs! Get out! Get! That's not out, that's in further. Get out. Get out. Come on. Camera's angle's probably not the best for me showing you this, but dogs, come on, get out. Get. It's a lovely dark location to do this in. And then screws are already here. This. Maybe I'll pick this spot. Okay, so Jesus, I really made a mince meat of that leg. Peter Johnson. That seems pretty clean. Yeah. So there's your diaphragm. And really that then is your heart and your lungs. You don't want that. Ooh. Every blood in there. Here's the heart and the lungs. And a big blood clot. Which I'm sure the dogs are going to eat up later on. Yeah, there's nothing else beside that now. So then just off with these the ends of the legs. There's a old rabbit's foot for good luck. Clearly never good luck for the rabbit, but